Okay, let's see. Open it. Yes, that one is. That one is clamp I buy separately. What is this? Okay. Manual. Let's put aside. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's very solid and very ergonomic. This button you can. Oh yeah, very strict, very lock. It's very solid, like metal something, and plastic. Very good engineering. I think I make a good decision. Let's see, open the clamp. I buy this clamp for for iPhone, for recording, video recording. And that one is from Manfrotto. Let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, the clamp. Oh, this clamp is very solid manufacturing, a sort of plastic inside to grip the phone. One screw is here and one screw downstairs and clamp too. I will update later on. Okay, thank you. Bye.